My name is Amani and I'm in grade 11. The subjects that I sat for were English first language and physics and chemistry. Tuitional was enjoyable. I did enjoy most of it. Like, I enjoyed learning with Tuitional. Chemistry, it was for chemistry. Really expect to get an A. I was expecting like a B because I think that online classes is very convenient because some timings would be at 8 o'clock and that wouldn't really work with me face to face. So I think online learning would be a better alternative. I would say that it's the quality of the teaching was definitely 10 out of 10. On my side, I would have regarding past papers and practicing. That's good.